be having a graduation pictorial, right? This around April or May. So I was planning to, since my mom wasn't there, right? So I was planning to I have her picture, very very tiny picture. That is only the picture that left to me. So yes, so maybe I will go to the computer shop and then edit those picture of my mom, so can I can have my mom with me in her picture frame during the family pictorial or my grad pictorial, because yeah, she's the reason why I'm striving so hard in my studies. She's my inspiration. That's why she's also the reason why John, why I want to become a doctor. As what I've said, if I can't be a medical doctor, then I will be a doctor in teaching PhD.